arbitrationagreements.org. Today we're diving deep into a term that you've probably heard if you've ventured into the world of law or alternative dispute resolution. That term is interrogatory. Sounds pretty official, right? Before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. All right, let's break it down. At its core, an interrogatory is a written set of questions. In the context of a legal setting, it's a formal process where one party sends these written questions to the opposing party. The party receiving these questions is then legally bound to respond truthfully and in writing. Now, why is this important? Well, interrogatories play a crucial role in the discovery phase of a lawsuit. This is the phase where both parties gather information to build or defend their case. Now, here are some interesting facts about interrogatories. Did you know that in many jurisdictions, there's a limit to the number of interrogatories one party can send to the other? For instance, in the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure in the United States, there's typically a limit of 25 questions unless the court says otherwise. Statistics indicate that the discovery phase, which includes processes like interrogatories, can make up to 60% of the total cost of civil litigation. That's a massive chunk of resources dedicated to just finding out what the other side knows. Another fun fact, interrogatories aren't exclusive to the United States. Many legal systems worldwide have a similar process, though the rules and specifics might vary. In the world of alternative dispute resolution, understanding the concept of interrogatories can be crucial. The information gained through this process can influence negotiations, mediations, or even arbitrations. For more information on interrogatories, head over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's also where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about the definition of interrogatory? Does it make sense to you? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.